This is the very nice.
Yeah, San Francisco office. We have a nice property here. We have a studio, 2 beds and 3 beds as well. So just PM me 689-251-3548. Thank you. Bye. God bless. This is a nice property in San Francisco. This is the Maria Dream Homes in San France. And this is a gated property. So it's a quiet and safe community. And this is along the highway. Kini pwede gid mo take advantage kay napay available nga tagduduhan na lang gyud nga ready to move in nga mga property. Unya ang kuan niya selling price pa may 100,000 nga discount instead nga 400 ang down payment sa karon 300 lang na nakay 1 unit. Unya actually pwede nang 36 months ng down payment. Pwede mo i-spread siya. So nice kay boss. I-PM lang ko boss kung kuan para matabangan ta mo unsaon niyo pag-abilan ng instead nga 400 nga down payment 300 lang. Salamat kayo. Nice kay nga lugar. May ni kay kuan pa opening gyud. So makaabil kag discount.